Now, if you're driving around Mount Cootha, you probably see some rock cuts like this, and it's just a bunch of brown rocks. This does actually happen to be the best road cut on Mount Cootha, and we had looking at a lot of other sites that were quite disappointing, and it has a nice car park on the side. And so what's so special about this one? Well, the geology book I'm looking at has all this going on. So it's the crossover between the Bunya Phyllite and the Enoggera Granite that's higher up, and there's also dykes in there. And so you can see there's a dyke right there. And so you'd be forgiven for driving past and thinking, oh, that's just a bunch of brown rocks, and not realizing that top bit there to the left is granite, then there's dykes there, and then to the right is Bunya Phyllite. Because it all looks the same unless you have a very close look. And so you can see the dykes there. That's a bit of a close-up. And so according to the book, there's granite. And so if you look up closely, you can see granite. And I've got the microscope up there, and it's hard to get it nice and focused because everything's so bright. I'm sort of blinded. And then there is the greyish, sort of greyish granite looking thing, which is the columnar. And it had the columnar look to it. And then a bit further on, there was the Phyllite. So that matches the description perfectly. And that's probably the best road cut there is on Mount Cootha, and maybe even the best road cut in Brisbane, to be honest. A bit sad, isn't it? And just driving past, it looks like nothing. So, yeah, if you want to see a good road cut, that's probably the best one.